Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to put a new handle on this double barrel shotgun. If you look closely, you can see it's pretty badly cracked right along here, and I also would prefer a pistol grip. Before you do any work on a gun, always make sure it's unloaded. To take off the old handle, I just took out 2 screws here and took the butt of the gun off, which exposes this hole, and I put a long screwdriver in and unscrewed the stock, and then this whole end just comes right off. With the stock off, you can really see how badly it's cracked. While we've got the gun open, we might as well take a look at how it works. There are 2 firing pins, one here and one on the back side. When you open the gun to load it, the pins are cocked and the safety is turned on. Notice that my pins are pulled back and held in position by these hooks. When I try to fire though, I can't because this safety switch has been kicked back. Push the safety forward to turn it off. Now these things can fire. I have an air-powered pellet gun here that I'd like to use as a model for the handle. In the end, I want it to look something like this. I'll start by tracing the old gun and stock onto a piece of paper. Next, I'll line up the trigger hole with my pistol and trace that handle in place. There's the original trace, and there's my final design. I'll cut this out. Trace it onto a block of maple wood. Cut it out with a bandsaw. Now I'm going to round off the edges of the grip with this router bit. I put it in a drill press so it's easier to show on video. And shape it a little more with a belt sander. Looking pretty good so far. Now I just need to cut a slot in the end of this so it can stick on the end here. Looks like this piece of the gun is 5/8 wide, so I'll use a 5/8 inch paddle bit to start and make a rounded hole on this one end. Then I want to cut the slot back with the bandsaw. We'll clean this out a bit on the spindle sander. I'm going to have to notch out a couple of places on both sides for that metal piece. As luck would have it, I happen to have a screw that was just the right size to bolt the handle on. I drilled a hole for the screw and now I'm going to countersink it. There's the countersink hole. And there's the screw. Here I am bolting it on. There it is, all sanded and stained. Thanks for watching.